Hey guys, what is up? Back for another YouTube video. Well, back for another tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to use NPCs. So yeah, as you can see, we've got the whole NPC layout here. And yeah, I'll be getting into it with all the commands. NPCs are very simple. It's basically just... Yes, as you can see here, this is how to get free loot using NPCs. You can do anything in an NPC. So as you can see, it gave me a diamond. Just checking it again, gave me another diamond. You can put cooldowns and stuff, but that's just... So it's /give @p r=3 diamond_block. Just to note, whenever there's a space in a command, always do an underscore. Otherwise it wouldn't work. So this is to teleport. You click the button and it teleports you wherever you want. This can be like a million blocks away, it can be right next to you, it can be anywhere. So it's /tp @p r=3 in brackets and then the coordinates you want to go. Like I said before, NPCs are just a way of... NPCs are just a command, but a different sort of command. So as you can see, that just changed my game mode into survival when I click that, and then this changes my game mode into creative. Now, I'm just checking it again, and it's /GAMEMODE s @p r=3. I always do r=3 because if there's people nearby, then it won't work, and it might give them survival or creative or whatever. And then it updates me back into creative, and all I changed was just S to C. So it's that simple. Also, if all of this will be in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of how to use NPCs, and there will be more being added to the channel soon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just checking it back in survival now. Make sure it works in survival and creative. This is Java and Bedrock edition, so they both work. And you see, it gives me the diamond, it changes my game mode. And yeah, it works perfectly fine. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you in the next tutorial or video.